Hey everyone, I'm going to a bin store today that's right next to my house. It's called Discount Bins. It is Dollar Day, so we're going to go and see what we can get on Dollar Day. So it's a very new store, as you can see. It's still got the for rent sign on it. So we're going to go ahead and go and see what we can find. Okay. That's part of something there. Don't know what the hell that is. Okay.
You really want to say that she goes up to strangers in the
Oh. I'm not sure what this exactly was made for, but it's a USB keyboard. I'll probably pick that up for $1. Got the USB nub in it, so some kind of academic sign. You're doing what I do. I go and just grab everything. Oh, you work here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Some Disney stuff might be worth it. So that's some kind of light? Yeah, it looks like it. Multiple selection. Trying to figure out what the hell this thing is. It's some sort of light, I know that, but trying to see, because I'm actually trying to set up a studio, so I'm trying to see if this is something I could use actually for $1. It might. And this looks like the hardware and tools section. That's nothing I can use. Okay. Let's do something right here. Oh. All right. Oh. Oh, the cable's out of it. I wish people wouldn't do that. I wish people, if the cord was in there, I wish that they wouldn't take it out. I mean, I don't know why they do that shit, but yeah, that is a toner concentrate. But yeah, that's obviously been used. Okay. Missing the battery cover, is also missing the receiver for it. So, yep, that's no good. Oh, that's actually, I think I'm going to keep that because, yeah, that's multi-region. Sometimes the challenge is figuring out what the hell this stuff is. Oh. An Apple adapter. That's definitely for something Apple. Fire stick remote. Well, I'll take the remote, but if I can find the fire stick, that would be awesome. That is a fire stick remote. Let's see if I can find the fire stick that goes with it. Hopefully I can find it. Binoculars. That's some sort of GoPro mount. What the hell? some sort of GoPro mount, but cool. Okay, that's a Bluetooth radio. I actually need one. That looks like a Milwaukee tool. Might pick that up. What?
Looks like to recharge batteries.
Yeah. Well, if it's from Milwaukee Tools, it's definitely worth something. Now, trying to figure out what the heck some of this stuff is. Oh my God, why the hell wouldn't you use this? I can understand. What the hell is this? Oh, it's a monitor stand. And that powers the hub. I get it, okay. They'll sell it to you as one unit. That's what it's like on Dollar Day at this particular bin store. And I would say that is the typical experience that you could expect at most Dollar Days at these particular overstock and return bin stores that buy overstock from Amazon, Target, etc. As you could see, there was a lot of trash in the bins, a lot of stuff that was broken, and a lot of stuff that just wasn't worth anything, even $1 in those bins. And there's a reason for that. This is the day before restock. So on Dollar Day, everything's been picked over for 4 days, and this is what's left. So you're going to find a lot of stuff that's cheap, broken, not worth anything. However, you can pull some stuff out on Dollar Day, stuff like this battery. I pulled this out for $1. It's for a Ryobi power tool. That wasn't on the footage, by the way. And I actually went the day before, which was $2 day, and I picked up this. It's a Wi-Fi router for a RV, and it includes a cell network for 4G LTE. And I will pop the sold comp up on the screen. It's worth over $200. I believe it retails for $399 on Amazon. And this particular box is sealed. So the factory seal hasn't even been broken on this particular box. And I don't even know why it ended up on a pallet, perhaps because there's some damage on the label or something. But this is a good example of some of the treasures you can find at a bin store like this. Now, a lot of the stuff that you saw me pick up, like the keyboards, those were for personal use here at the house, and stuff like this, which I picked up for $1 for personal use at the house. So you can also find things at these bin stores for personal use. So bottom line is I had a lot of fun at that bin store, and I probably will be going back to that bin store quite often, seeing how it is in my area. I have also been to Bullseye Bins, which is actually on the opposite side of town that I am on. So I don't go there as often. This particular bin store I'll be going to all the time. And that's all I have for you today, and I will see you later, and take care.